Hello friends, are you an engineering student? Do you need to learn engineering drawing? Do you dream to join central government engineering jobs in which selection is through engineering services examination conducted by Union Public Service Commission of India? If answer to any of these questions is yes, then my YouTube channel Khabia e-learning is useful to you. My YouTube channel Khabia e-learning contains two lecture series. Lecture series 1 is engineering drawing for engineering services examination prelims or stage 1, and lecture series 2 is engineering drawing for university exams. Lecture series 1 engineering drawing for EAC prelims basically trains you to solve objective type questions from the subject engineering drawing, whereas lecture series 2 engineering drawing for university exams basically trains you to solve conventional type questions from the subject engineering drawing. Friends, I am Sunil Khabia. I completed my graduation in mechanical engineering in the year 1990. From 1991 onwards, I am in the field of coaching for competitive examinations. In 1991 itself, I was selected in a PSU job, but I preferred to remain in the coaching profession. For nearly 24 years, I have taught engineering drawing for university examinations in my own coaching Khabia classes, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. For nearly 3 years, I have taught engineering drawing for engineering services examinations in one of the topmost coaching for EAC. The idea of the lecture series engineering drawing for EAC prelims germinated when I was asked to teach the subject engineering drawing up to EAC exam level in limited time of 24 hours. Friends, to solve exam questions from the subject engineering drawing asked in general studies and engineering aptitude paper EAC prelims, you require depth as well as wide coverage. In limited teaching time of 24 hours, it is very difficult to train a student and make him capable of solving exam questions. The only way left for me was to develop some self-learning resource on the subject engineering drawing and provide it to students, and use the precious classroom time to solve doubts of students on workbook questions. This lecture series, Engineering Drawing for EAC Prelims, is the much needed self-learning resource. Before coming to offline class of engineering drawing, you are expected to go through relevant lecture from the lecture series engineering drawing for EAC prelims. Friends, remember this lecture series engineering drawing for EAC prelims is not the replacement of offline classes, but it is complementary to offline classes. Offline classes are crucial to final selection because offline classes provide you the much required peer based motivation. Friends, main benefits of this lecture series engineering drawing for EAC prelims are: number 1, comfortable teaching speed as per the grasping power of an average student. Number 2, right depth to the subject, exactly as much required to solve exam questions from the subject engineering drawing asked in general studies and engineering aptitude paper EAC prelims. Number 3, abundant use of 3D animations and 2D animations to streamline your visualization process. And number 4, time saving because latest teaching techniques and latest teaching technology is used. Friends, one very important request: please do not watch the lecture series on a small screen. Friends, this is engineering drawing. There are a lot of minute details. You need to observe those minute details and you need to understand those minute details. At least use a laptop screen to watch the lectures and set resolution of your YouTube player to 1080p or full HD. Friends, this lecture series engineering drawing for EAC prelims is also useful for other competitive examinations in which objective type questions are asked from the subject engineering drawing. Friends, at present I am uploading lectures for the lecture series engineering drawing for EAC prelims. Once it is complete, then I will start uploading lectures for the lecture series engineering drawing for university examinations. Please subscribe the channel Khabia e-learning to get regular updates of the newly uploaded videos on the channel. Please share the channel Khabia e-learning with your friends who are preparing for engineering services examination and who are in search of quality learning material on engineering drawing. Thank you. Thank you very much. This video that was playing while I was speaking contains necessary concepts to solve previous exam questions from the subject engineering drawing asked in general studies and engineering aptitude paper EAC prelims. Thank you once more.